Weather forecast in America for October 3rd, 2025. Hey there, sweet friends, and happy Thursday. Welcome back to our cozy little corner of the internet, Sunny Storm Scoop. I'm your host, and I'm so glad you've joined me for your weather forecast. We've got a crazy split personality map today. A gentle fall arriving in the northeast, a continued heat wave in the middle, and a chilly, rainy start to autumn out west. It's an active U.S. weather live situation. You absolutely need to stick around until the very end because I have the most shocking weather statistic of the entire week. It's not about how hot it's getting during the day, but how hot it won't be getting at night across the plains. You won't want to miss the final record-breaking detail. Now, let's dive into your update for October 3rd through October 5th, 2025. Let's begin with a big picture look across the entire country. If you take a peek at the weather radar, you'll see a powerhouse ridge of high pressure creating a massive, summer-like heat dome over the Central U.S., which is our main story. Flanking it are two completely different scenes: a new, cool fall air mass settling into the northeast, and a deep, cold trough digging into the west, bringing rain and mountain snow. This dramatic contrast gives us our most critical weather alert of the week. Let's take a closer look at what this means for you, starting with the east. Good news for the northeast and mid-Atlantic. Strong high pressure is descending from Canada, bringing a much cooler, truly fall-like air mass today and into tomorrow. It's finally time for those sweaters. However, farther south, the East Coast faces a major coastal threat. The prolonged stretch of easterly onshore flow around that high-pressure system is leading to dangerous rip currents, high surf, and some coastal flooding along much of the East Coast over the next few days. This persistent moist flow will also bring heavy, repeated showers and thunderstorms to the coastlines of Florida, Georgia, and possibly the Carolinas through the weekend. Now for the west, where things are getting seriously cool. Unsettled and unseasonably cool weather will continue across the Pacific Northwest, Great Basin, and Northern Rockies. This is due to a potent upper-level trough that is slowly digging in. High temperatures will stay 10 to 20 degrees cooler than normal. This system brings increasing showers and thunderstorms starting later today and lasting through Saturday. And yes, the cold air aloft means we could even see a bit of snow in the highest elevations of the Northern Rockies, especially by Saturday. And finally, the heat. The expansive upper-level ridge will continue to amplify, keeping that unseasonably hot summer-like weather across the plains and Midwest. The hottest weather relative to normal is in the northern plains and upper Midwest, where high temperatures will soar 20 to 30 degrees above normal on Friday and Saturday. Highs will likely challenge records as they climb well into the upper 80s to the low or mid-90s. Now for a soft but very important weather alert across the country. First, for the East Coast, we have a major storm warning. The danger of rip currents, high surf, and coastal flooding is real and life-threatening. Please avoid the ocean. Additionally, intense downpours capable of dropping 1 to 3 inches of rain or more are possible, especially over eastern Florida, meaning localized flash flooding can't be ruled out in urban or poor drainage areas. Second, in the west, the more intense showers and thunderstorms could contain periods of heavier rainfall, so localized flash flooding is possible from the Sierra foothills into the Great Basin later today into Friday, and across portions of the Great Basin and Northern Rockies into Saturday. And third, the unseasonable heat in the plains and Midwest is a weather alert in itself. Temperatures this far above normal, 15 to 30 degrees, pose a serious risk for heat exhaustion. Please take it easy. We have a few gentle tips to help you finish the week strong. For our friends along the coast, heed those warnings. Stay safe on land. For those enjoying the cool, crisp fall air in the northeast, bundle up. And for those enduring the intense heat, stay in the shade, keep hydrated, and limit outdoor activities during the hottest parts of the day. As we wrap up our sweet weather forecast for the week, remember that every extreme event comes with a warning. Now for the most shocking weather statistic I promised you at the start of this video, it's about the heat in the plains.
Record-breaking highs are one thing, but temperatures are only forecast to bottom out in the 60s to near 70 degrees Saturday morning. That means record high-low temperatures are likely for many places. Even the nighttime will feel like summer. This intense, persistent heat is the final crucial weather alert of the week. Thank you, sweet souls, for letting me be a small part of your day. If this weather forecast helped you plan your week and stay safe, please tap that like button, subscribe to Sunny Storm Scoop, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next gentle report. Share your feelings about the unseasonable heat below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay safe and let the days wrap you in happiness. Catch you next time.